What if factories could think? Machines could communicate, robots could repair production problems automatically, and entire assembly lines could optimize themselves in real time? Welcome to the world of smart factory automation, where AI, robotics, IoT, and digital systems are transforming manufacturing forever. Next, welcome to the smart factory. Modern factories are no longer just buildings filled with machines. They are becoming intelligent digital ecosystems where robots, sensors, conveyors, software, and AI systems operate together continuously. Every machine generates data, every process is monitored in real time, and every production step becomes measurable and optimizable. The factory itself is evolving into a living, connected system. Next, what is factory automation? Factory automation is the use of machines, robotics, control systems, and software to perform manufacturing tasks with minimal human intervention. Instead of relying entirely on manual labor, automated systems handle repetitive, dangerous, and high-speed operations with far greater consistency. Automation can range from simple conveyor systems to fully autonomous robotic production lines. The main goal is higher productivity, lower cost, improved quality, and greater operational efficiency. Next, types of factory automation. There are three major categories of industrial automation. Fixed automation is designed for high-volume repetitive production with little variation. Programmable automation allows machines to be reconfigured through software for different products. Flexible automation goes even further by adapting dynamically to changing production requirements with minimal downtime. Next, evolution of manufacturing, Industry 1.0 to 4.0. The history of manufacturing has passed through four major industrial revolutions. Industry 1.0 introduced steam-powered mechanization, replacing hand tools with machines. Industry 2.0 brought electrification and mass production assembly lines, while Industry 3.0 introduced computers, PLCs, and CNC systems. Today, Industry 4.0 combines AI, IoT, robotics, cloud computing, and digital twins into intelligent, self-optimizing factories. Next, what is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 is often called the fourth industrial revolution because it merges the physical and digital worlds together. Machines, sensors, software, AI systems, and cloud infrastructure communicate continuously in real time. Factories no longer operate as isolated machines. They function as highly connected cyber-physical systems. This allows manufacturing environments to think, adapt, predict, and optimize automatically. Next, structure of a modern assembly line. A smart assembly line is far more than a sequence of machines. It is a carefully orchestrated production ecosystem divided into specialized modular zones handling different stages of manufacturing. Each station continuously exchanges data with central control systems while sensors monitor every material handoff. This modular design also allows factories to reconfigure production lines rapidly for new products. Next, material flow in smart factories. Traditional factories often used push-based manufacturing, where products moved forward regardless of downstream demand. Smart factories instead use pull-based systems driven by real-time production needs. Materials move only when downstream stations request them, reducing inventory waste and unnecessary storage buffers. This creates faster, leaner, and more efficient manufacturing operations. Next, conveyor systems explained. Conveyor systems are the arteries of modern production lines. Belt conveyors transport lightweight products continuously at high speed, while chain conveyors move heavy assemblies like automotive chassis. Overhead trolley systems free up valuable floor space, and roller conveyors efficiently move pallets and containers. Modern smart conveyors also include variable speed drives, load sensors, and automatic diverter systems controlled by central PLCs. Next, industrial robots in assembly lines. Industrial robots are one of the most visible symbols of modern factory automation. Six-axis articulated robots perform welding, painting, screwing, assembly, and material handling with incredible precision and consistency. Unlike humans, robots do not experience fatigue, distractions, or repetitive strain injuries. Many production lines now operate 24 hours a day, with robotic systems working continuously. Next, automated pick-and-place systems. Pick-and-place robots are among the fastest machines inside smart factories. Vision systems identify object position and orientation, while servo motors move the robot with millisecond-level precision. Delta robots dominate high-speed sorting and packaging systems, while Scala robots excel at precision insertion tasks. Some systems now exceed 200 pick-and-place cycles per minute. Next, CNC machines and digital manufacturing. Computer numerical control, or CNC machines, transformed precision manufacturing completely. These systems follow digital G-code instructions to perform cutting, drilling, milling, and turning operations with tolerances tighter than a human hair. In smart factories, CNC machines are networked directly into the production system. They automatically receive updated programs and continuously report tool wear and operational status in real time. Next, PLC, the brain of the assembly line. At the center of factory automation is the PLC, the programmable logic controller. PLCs are rugged industrial computers designed to survive heat, dust, vibration, and harsh manufacturing environments. They continuously monitor inputs from sensors and control outputs like motors, valves, conveyors, and robotic systems. Most industrial control decisions happen within milliseconds. Next, how PLCs work. A PLC operates through a continuous scan cycle. First, it reads all sensor inputs from the production line. Then it processes programmed logic instructions and updates outputs accordingly. This entire cycle repeats thousands of times every minute, keeping the factory synchronized and responsive. Next, SCADA monitoring systems. SCADA systems provide operators with a real-time bird's-eye view of the entire factory. Supervisory control and data acquisition platforms visualize machine states, alarms, production metrics, and energy usage across all connected PLCs simultaneously. Operators can instantly identify bottlenecks, failures, or abnormal conditions from centralized dashboards. SCADA turns raw factory data into actionable operational intelligence. Next, sensors, the nervous system of smart factories. Sensors are the nervous system of modern industrial automation. Proximity sensors detect parts without physical contact, temperature sensors monitor motors and ovens, and vibration sensors identify mechanical wear before breakdowns occur. Vision sensors inspect surfaces and verify product alignment continuously at line speed. Without sensors, smart factories would have no awareness of the physical world. Next, IoT connectivity in manufacturing. Industrial IoT, or IIoT, connects every machine and system inside the factory network. Each robot, conveyor, CNC machine, and sensor continuously generates operational data. Edge computing processes critical information locally for ultra-low latency, while cloud systems handle large-scale analytics and AI training. The factory becomes a massive real-time data ecosystem. Next, AI integration in factory operations. Artificial intelligence transforms raw industrial data into intelligent decision-making. AI systems analyze production trends, optimize scheduling, predict failures, and improve quality control automatically. Machine learning algorithms continuously adapt based on operational feedback. Factories are gradually shifting from programmed automation towards self-optimizing intelligent systems. Next, machine-to-machine communication. One of the most powerful Industry 4.0 concepts is machine-to-machine communication, or M2M. Machines exchange information directly without human involvement. A robot may signal a conveyor to pause, while a CNC machine automatically requests a tool replacement before failure occurs. Protocols like OPC-UA, MQTT, and Profinet form the communication backbone enabling these interactions. Next, vision inspection systems. Machine vision systems perform quality inspection at speeds impossible for humans. High-resolution cameras identify scratches, cracks, contamination, and dimensional errors in real time. 3D laser scanners verify geometry against CAD models with micron-level precision. Vision systems also read barcodes, QR codes, and serial numbers for full production traceability. Next, automated quality control. In smart factories, quality control is embedded directly into the manufacturing process itself. Instead of waiting until final inspection, AI systems monitor quality continuously during production. Real-time measurements compare live data against digital specifications instantly. This enables near-zero defect manufacturing with rapid corrective action before defects spread. Next, real-time data monitoring. A single smart production line can generate thousands of data points every minute. Edge computing systems process this information in less than 1 millisecond to maintain ultra-fast response times. Operators monitor overall equipment effectiveness, cycle time, reject rates, downtime, and energy usage through live dashboards. Real-time visibility allows problems to be identified before they become costly failures. Next, digital twin technology. One of the most futuristic Industry 4.0 technologies is the digital twin. A digital twin is a real-time virtual replica of the physical factory synchronized continuously with live sensor data. Engineers can simulate production changes, test layouts, and predict bottlenecks without stopping the actual factory. The digital and physical worlds become permanently connected. Next, predictive maintenance explained. Traditional maintenance repairs machines only after failure occurs. Predictive maintenance uses AI and sensor data to forecast problems before breakdowns happen. Vibration, temperature, and current sensors continuously monitor equipment health, while machine learning systems detect abnormal behavior patterns. This dramatically reduces downtime, maintenance cost, and unexpected failures. AGVs and autonomous mobile robots. Material transport inside smart factories is increasingly handled by AGVs and AMRs. Automated guided vehicles follow fixed magnetic or optical paths between stations. Autonomous mobile robots go further by navigating dynamically using LiDAR, AI mapping, and obstacle avoidance systems. These robots continuously optimize routes in real time. Next, smart warehouse integration. The smart factory does not end at the production line. Automated warehouses connect manufacturing directly with inventory management and logistics systems. RFID tracking, ASRS storage systems, and warehouse management software eliminate manual handling while accelerating fulfillment operations. The entire supply chain becomes digitally synchronized. Next, energy management in smart factories. Energy is often one of the largest operating costs in manufacturing. Smart energy systems monitor power usage at the individual machine level and optimize consumption dynamically. AI schedules high-power equipment during cheaper tariff periods, while regenerative systems recover energy from braking motors and conveyors. Modern factories are becoming not only smarter, but also far more energy efficient. Next, cybersecurity in industrial automation. As factories become more connected, cybersecurity becomes critically important. A single cyber attack targeting an industrial PLC can halt production and cause millions in losses within hours. Modern smart factories therefore use encrypted communication, network segmentation, AI intrusion detection, and multi-factor authentication systems. Protecting operational technology networks is now a major industrial priority. Next, human-robot collaboration. Cobots. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed specifically to work safely alongside humans. Unlike traditional industrial robots operating inside safety cages, cobots use force-limited motors and advanced sensors to stop instantly upon contact. They handle repetitive or physically demanding tasks while humans provide judgment and flexibility. This creates a cooperative human-machine workforce. Next, benefits of smart factory automation. The advantages of smart factories are enormous. Automation increases productivity, reduces defects, improves flexibility, and lowers energy consumption. AI-driven systems maintain near-zero defect rates, while robotic operations run continuously without fatigue. Factories become faster, smarter, safer, and more sustainable simultaneously. Next, challenges in smart factory implementation. Despite massive benefits, smart factory transformation is not simple. High upfront investment costs remain a major barrier for many manufacturers. Legacy equipment often lacks modern digital interfaces, and workforce reskilling is increasingly necessary. Managing massive streams of industrial data also requires entirely new infrastructure and expertise. Next, fully autonomous factories. The ultimate Industry 4.0 vision is the fully autonomous lights-out factory. These factories operate with minimal or even zero human presence, while AI systems coordinate every aspect of production automatically. Companies like Entity, Company, Fanuc, PH Phillips autonomous facilities today. The future factory may eventually run continuously without human intervention. Next, the factory of the future. The factory of the future will combine intelligent sensing, connected infrastructure, AI-driven decisions, and human-machine collaboration into one unified ecosystem. Digital twins will allow factories to learn continuously and optimize themselves automatically over time. Humans will increasingly supervise, innovate, and collaborate with intelligent robotic systems rather than perform repetitive labor directly. Manufacturing itself is becoming a living digital system. Final takeaway. Smart factory automation represents one of the most important technological transformations of the 21st century. Industry 4.0 combines robotics, AI, IoT, cloud computing, and real-time data into factories capable of thinking, learning, and adapting continuously. The traditional assembly line is evolving into an intelligent, connected ecosystem, and the factories of the future are already being built today. If you enjoyed this visual breakdown of smart factory automation, like this video and subscribe to 3D Decode for more futuristic science and engineering explained visually in 3D. Comment Industry 4.0 if you think intelligent factories are the future of manufacturing. See you in the next video.